It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Attention whales! Creating $250,000 worth of Shiba Inu coins from $100 in just 7 days. Updates regarding SHIBs. The burn rate increased significantly from February to March, notwithstanding the very negative Shiba Inu price movement. According to Bitcoin, one of the reasons for this trend is the still relatively unknown Koyo project, which is built on Shibarium. Apart from the fact that it will be constructed on Shibarium, not much is known on the project at this time. One of the goals of this decentralized finance project is to create a system where users can engage in DeFi activities including lending, borrowing and staking. Whale alert, which may transform $100 into $250,000 Shiba Inu coins in just 1 week, is the topic of discussion in this video. Shiba updated today. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe, share and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. One way to pay on the network is using the Koyo token, which is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. The SHIB burns associated with the Koyo project are also drawing interest. The initiative has burnt through an astounding 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens as of Monday, the same as around $50,000. And that's not all Koyo has planned. Another 73.02 million SHIB were destroyed by Koyo on Tuesday. Shiba Inu's wallet, which is now dead, received the tokens. The majority of yesterday's SHIB fire was once again caused by Koyo. According to SHIB burn statistics, out of 758.95 million Shiba Inus, approximately 25 million were burned by other sources in the past 24 hours. It is worth around $3.4 million to see that Koyo's address still has 3,111.98 billion SHIB, according to Etherscan. This might be a huge step forward for SHIB burns, which Koyo could help revive. This was hinted at today by Quintano, founder of Koyo, via Twitter. He predicted that SHIB may be burned with half of Koyo's profits. In February, community-led burn initiatives reduced the value of 352.21 million SHIB in 128 distinct transactions. A substantial decline was observed when contrasted with January, the preceding month. In 2023 trades, almost 1.112 billion were lost. The burn numbers appeared far better prior to February. In 349 trades in December 2022, 2.072 billion SHIB were burned. There were 381 trades involving 1.922 billion SHIB in November. There were 2,433 trades in October totaling $9.05 billion SHIB. At the time, SHIB is confronting a crucial moment in the one-day chart. Since early February, the price has been attempting to exit the downtrend channel. To exit bearish territory, the price needs to break above the 200-day exponential moving average EMA. An uptrend for SHIB in the medium term might be confirmed if the daily close is higher than the 200-day exponential moving average, which is now at 0.2007. The unpredictable nature of the market and the wide variety of factors that could affect Bitcoin prices make price predictions a difficult task. It is feasible to forecast the price of SHIB in 2023 though, by looking at existing patterns and market data. Wallet Investor predicts that SHIB will reach a price of 0.07 before the year 2023's end. For this forecast to pan out, we need SHIB's adoption rate to keep rising and the cryptocurrency market's bullish sentiment to hold. By the end of 2023, SHIB's price could hit 0.07 on 5060. According to Coin Price Forecast, another price prediction. An examination of the market and SHIB's past performance has led to this forecast. Although these forecasts offer a glimpse into the possible price fluctuations of SHIB, keep in mind that they are in no way guaranteed. Price swings for SHIB are possible given the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. The increased online interest in Shiba Inus occurs at the same time as National Puppy Day this year. In honor of March 23rd, National Puppy Day, Binance.nes has made a reference to Shiba Inu. By creating the illusion, the exchange was trying to show its appreciation for the dog-themed digital asset, which has gained international attention, thanks to the community's unwavering support and the asset's potential. In honor of National Puppy Day, the official Binance Twitter account posted photos of some of the team's furry pals enjoying the festivities. In an additional tweet, The user uploaded a photo of a puppy called Masha wearing jeans with the logos of several cryptocurrency-related firms stitched onto them, such as the Shiba Inu brand and the Binance logo. The United States marks National Puppy Day every year to honor pups and promote adoption from shelters. The annual event is held on March 23. In 2006, animal behaviorist and specialist in pet lifestyle Colleen Page established the day. In the cryptocurrency world, there's a special day called National Puppy Day to honor the rise of dog-themed digital assets like Shiba Inu. These assets began as jokes but have since become some of the most prominent cryptocurrencies, thanks to their inclusive and welcoming community. Ryoshi, who may be either an individual or a collective, debuted Shiba Inu in August of 2020 under a pseudonym, quickly rising to the position of 14th biggest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization. The asset became famous around the world and surpassed many other prominent digital assets. Shiba Inu social activity has been at an all-time high recently, because to the growing buzz around its Shibarium network, which happens to coincide with this year's festival. Moon Crush found that SHIB's social activity recently reached 47.88K, which is the highest it has been in 3 months. The community has been requesting network documentation ever since the Shibarium beta launched. The administrator of the Shibarium group said yesterday that the documentation is almost finished, but is currently undergoing quality assurance checks to make sure it's error-free. Introducing innovative technology, SHIBA Launcher will change the way people participate in the initial token sale on the Shibarium network, and help the ecosystem thrive. On the Shibarium blockchain, the revolutionary IDO Launchpad will soon release its groundbreaking technologies. Using this technology, the Shiba Inu project developers will be able to generate funds in a decentralized and safe way, and investors will only be able to participate in legitimate initial coin offering IDO launches. In addition to making waves in the DeFi industry, the popular community-driven IDO Launchpad, SHILA, is establishing itself as a frontrunner on the Shibarium network. Prioritizing openness, accessibility and community engagement, SHIBA Launcher plans to establish itself as a leading DeFi platform with the launch of its decentralized IDO Launchpad platform. We are thrilled to keep developing our project and looking into new avenues to ensure that everyone can participate in the early-stage token sales on Shibarium network in a safe and accessible way, since we think the SHIBA Launcher ecosystem can revolutionize the DeFi area, said Hiro Kijo is the principal developer of the SHIBA Launcher. Investors can become holders of the native token of the SHIBA Launcher ecosystem by participating in the SHIBA token presale with a minimum of 10 million SHILA. The utility and governance token of SHIBA Launcher has now launched. The project's rapid growth and popularity has investors enthusiastic about SHIBA Launcher's staking and other passive income opportunities. SHIBA Launcher is well positioned to become a major participant in the DeFi sector, which is experiencing fast growth. Founders that wish to launch their projects on the Shibarium network and holders of the native token SHILA have access to a number of functionalities through the SHIBA Launcher. Farming pools, the Assets Bridge protocol, token generation, staking and participation in governance are some of the features that SHILA token holders can look forward to. Credible IDOs on Shibarium are also part of the package. The goal of the SHIBA Launcher is to facilitate the growth of the digital economy inside the Shibarium ecosystem by providing a simple means for users to implement their ideas and initiate initiatives. There has been a huge whale transfer involving Shiba Inu since the beta version of Shibarium was released. A large number of transactions have transferred over 25 trillion SHIBA tokens, with a combined value of around $263 million,